Behavior is the range of actions and mannerisms made by organisms, systems, or artificial entities in conjunction with their environment, which includes the other systems or organisms around it as well as the physical environment. It is the response of the system or organism to various stimuli or inputs, whether internal or external, conscious or subconscious, overt or covert, and voluntary or involuntary. Biology. Biology. Although there is some disagreement as to how to precisely define behavior in a biological context, one common interpretation, based on a meta-analysis of scientific literature, states that behavior is the internally coordinated responses, actions, or inactions, of whole living organisms, individuals, or groups, to internal and/or external stimuli. In humans, behavior is believed to be controlled primarily by the endocrine system and the nervous system. It is most commonly believed that complexity in the behavior of an organism is correlated to the complexity of its nervous system. Generally, organisms with more complex nervous systems have a greater capacity to learn new responses, and thus adjust their behavior. Behaviors can be either innate or learned. Behavior can be regarded as any action of an organism that changes its relationship to its environment. Behavior provides outputs from the organism to the environment. Other fields. Behavior outside of psychology includes physical property and chemical reactions. Computer science. Behavior as used in computer science is an anthropomorphic construct that assigns life to the activities carried out by a computer, computer application, or computer code in response to stimuli, such as user input. Also, a behavior is a reusable block of computer code or script that, when applied to an object, especially a graphical one, causes it to respond to user input in meaningful patterns or to operate independently. Also, behavior is a value that changes over time, one of the key concepts in functional reactive programming. The term can also be applied to some degree to functions in mathematics, referring to the anatomy of curves. Earth sciences. In environmental modeling, and especially in hydrology, a behavioral model means a model that is acceptably consistent with observed natural processes, that is, that simulates well, for example, observed river discharge. It is a key concept of the so-called generalized likelihood uncertainty estimation (GLU) methodology to quantify how uncertain environmental predictions are.